Here's how to fix Snapchat support code SS03. Now, if you're getting the error SS03, there are a number of different things you can do to definitely get that fixed associated with your VPN connection or any other connection, as well as your location. I'll show you how to fix it, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, one of the things that you will want to do is let's get out of here. And basically, you might be getting this error. It says you can say, due to repeated attempts or other suspicious activity, that's key, your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled, SS03. So the first thing that you're going to do is go into the settings of your iPhone or Android, and you're going to scroll down, tap on General here, and then scroll down to the bottom until you get to VPN and device management. Now, from here on your iPhone or Android, go to the VPN, and if you're currently connected to a VPN, make sure you disconnect, because it could look from Snapchat's perspective a little bit sketchy, because if you're connected from your VPN on your phone to some other random country, it could cause issues, them thinking somebody's breaking into your account. So that's the first thing I would recommend doing. The second thing I would recommend doing is we're going to go back to the basic part of your settings, the first part of your settings, and we're going to tap on General towards the bottom, and then we're going to tap on iPhone storage. Now, from here, you'll be able to find the Snapchat app. Just scroll down and find the Snapchat app here and hit offload the app, and you're going to reinstall it. The nice thing by doing this is essentially it clears the cache and temporary files and force updates it. Now, if you're on Android, all you need to do is clear the cache and clear the storage, and it does the exact same thing. So just go through that process. The last thing I would recommend doing after you get Snapchat reinstalled, if it still doesn't work for you, swipe down from the top right and toggle Wi-Fi completely off. This will allow you to connect to mobile data, essentially telling Snapchat that you're in the normal location. You should be able to log in normally. You shouldn't have any issues with basically sketchy or unusual behavior. Beyond that, if you're still running into that issue, unfortunately, you might still just need to wait until that temporary ban is lifted. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.